In the zone with the 12-volt combo kit DCK221F2 from Dewalt, the XTREME subcompact series.
So I bought the kit for $174.99.
What's in the box?
Now that's a solid question. Time to unzip and find out. Starting off with the DCD701. It's a 2-speed drill with 15 clutch settings. And even though it's a 12 volt, it gives you surprisingly a hell of a punch. Moving over to the other tool, this time an impact driver. The DCF801 comes along with 3 modes. As far as I can tell, it's not as fast as the impact driver from a 20 volt system, but weight-wise, it's way lighter. And I see some similarities with the impact wrench DCF902. What else do we got in the bag? 2 2Ah batteries. A charger for 12 and 20 volt batteries. The DCB112. And some manuals and instructions. Saving the best for last, the most important tool accessory you can think of, the belt clip. In fact, you get 2. That concludes today's video about the 12 volt kit. Details can be found in the description below. So thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in a little bit.